Welcome guys to tutorial number 16 in this JavaScript series, and today we're gonna talk about do while loop and how do we do while loop. Is very easy. Let's just make me another value and I'm just gonna put it true. Alright, okay, now do this. Alright, you do this and then type the words, type the whatever you want to write it to the into the body actually. I'm lost. And after whatever you have wrote, you have to put a while here. So this is do and this is while, hence it's a do while loop. And into the while you have to put some constraint, and this time I'm gonna put a constraint over value and show you guys how it is. And I'm gonna put a p++ over here, not plus over here, and I'm gonna put if p is equal to 5. I've checked the value, and what you do is value becomes false. That is as simple as it gets. So what it is doing is the value of p is, let me just show this into the Chrome, and you can see this hello, 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 and hello 4 times. I will show you guys why. Alright, the value of p gets 1. The value of value is true at this point. It's a boolean value. Alright, this gets into here. This says alright, just do this work. It goes print the hello. The value of p gets 2. If checks no, the value of 2 is not equal to 5, hence this is not executed. It goes over here and checks the while for value. Now you have to get the value is true at this point. Then it gets go over here. Value is, this is printed again. The value gets 3, not still not executed, still true. It goes over here, prints the word. The value gets 4. The value is still not true. This doesn't get executed. The value is still true. Alright, while the value true again, it goes over here. P, this prints again the 4th time. The value of p gets 5. If 5 is equal to 5, yes it is, this gets executed. The value of value gets false, and it goes over here, checks here, and while gets false and comes out of the loop. As simple as that. Alright, now what is the difference between do while and while loop is that the while loop runs once, at least once. Right, I don't need these guys. What I have done is I have made the value false, and there is a do while condition, do while loop, and what it does is just document.write hello. Alright, so let me just make a while loop over here, and I'm just gonna put value over here, and there you go. And I'm just gonna copy this and paste over this. Alright, you can see this is a while loop and this is a do while loop. Alright, now what happens is while the value of value is false, this doesn't gets in and comes over to value, and this gets over here do, it gets to print and it prints, and then it checks the value and it's false and it breaks out of loop. Hence the do while loop will work once even if the condition is false at the starting point. It won't print anything if the condition is false at the starting point. That's a main difference between while and do while. Hence you can see there's just one hello, and that's from this, and it has just printed 1 because the while condition at this point is false. So why do we need do while is very simple, that sometimes you want our code to be executed once, but if the condition is false, then you have to close it, and just to show a message that yes, it was the right condition or a wrong thing that you have entered or anything like that. So if you want something to be executed once and then you have to check the value, then you can use do while loops. So that's all for this tutorial, and thanks for watching, guys.